guys, and welcome back to this channel. Today I have for you a cute Valentine's Day tutorial using all of these goodies from Daily Charme and Clear Jelly Stamper. The first thing I'm going to use is Daily Charme's Charm Gel in color 403 True Love, and I'll apply it to most fingers of our practice hand here. For the accent nail, I'll be using Charm Gel number 305 Sweet Dreams. And we cure it for 1 minute in an LED lamp. Then to seal the color, I'll top everything using from the same brand, their Diamond Shine Gel Top Coat. And of course, we cure it again. Now onto the stamping. I'll protect my surface as always by using Clear Jelly Stamper's silicone mat. Of course, my fave stamper of all times, CJS's Big Bling XL stamper. And for the plate, I'll use CJS 120, which is called Keep It Classic. The first stamping polish is this pretty rose shimmer, number 41, Sweet Baby Rose. We'll use it with the first layer of this romantic decorative image, which is absolutely beautiful. Our next color is number 9, Ready for Anything, and we'll finish our stamping design with that one. I love the look of this design. Then I just top it with the same gel top coat and cure. Now for adding crystals, I'll put Daily Charme's Stay Put Jelly to the test and see how I like it. The texture is definitely very different from any crystal gels I've ever tried before, but I think I like it, and a little bit goes a long way. So this small jar gives you a lot of sparkly nails. Here I'll just go simple and grab these gorgeous Swarovski crystals that also came from Daily Charme and place them on the nail, along with these teeny tiny beads to contour the crystals. I'll simply add top coat again, surrounding the crystals, and voila! So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you could get some inspiration for your Valentine's Day mani. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!